Hi there, I am Docus and today I like to show you how to get even more out of your ATOS Q. ATOS Q is a versatile and very flexible system with exchangeable lenses to fit many different use cases. It captures high details in a very accurate way and is suited to the more demanding measuring tasks. ATOS Q is the high performance of industrial 3D scanning. To get even more out of your 3D scanner ATOS Q, you can easily upgrade it to the next level with GOM Inspect Pro line. GOM Inspect Pro line brings you a wide range of extra features for precise analysis and inspection, no matter how complex the task or how detailed and challenging the surface. Experience improved functionality, intuitive handling, and benefit from clearly arranged results. The GOM Inspect Pro line provides multiple new powerful add-ons to ATOS Q. This enables you to make use of features like, for example, using a touch probe, tracking a part into space to orientate it into its correct position, project elements onto a part, and some more advanced scanning stuff. Let's take a look at 3 of the features in detail. The upgrade to GOM Inspect Pro line makes it possible to use the touch probe with your system, which enables you to combine scanning with probing for certain elements, for example, deep pockets, boreholes, or areas that cannot be accessed optically. It's the ultimate addition to 3D scanning. The software tracks the touch probe and helps you to guide through the elements we need to measure. I can just put the touch probe in front of the sensor and follow the pop-up window to make my measurements. And when it is done, I immediately have my result. The next feature is the live tracking. The live tracking feature of GOM Inspect Pro line enables you to use your system as a live tracking device. You have the possibility to position your parts during the assembly or to align it before milling, a useful add-on in the production process. Here we want to position the casted part on this fixture to make sure we have enough allowance on the recommended areas. We can do this by just putting it in front of the sensor and move the part around. I will start the software and I get a live feedback on the position of the part. So I can move it until it's completely green. The deviations are shown. There we go. And I can fix the part in the correct positions. Just a quick tightening. And we are ready for the milling machine. Another useful function with the GOM Inspect Pro line is back projecting. This feature enables us to use the system as a projector to really project elements on the parts. We can not only project elements like cutting lights, position lines or logos, but also the real deviations. Here we have scanned the tool and we are showing the color plot. And by just selecting what I would like to project, I can project the lines on the tool. This mold half is typically not correct from the first time, so now we can mark the areas which need to be milled or welded on, and we can finish the part. I hope you like these extra features. Next to these features, GOM Inspect Pro line also gives you some more enhanced scanning functionalities. If you want to know more on these topics, or you want to know more product information, or has any other questions, please reach out to us via support@handsonmetrology.com. You will find the link in the video description. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.